Hi, this is Drew Finn here for ExpertVillage.com. We're going to talk about cleaning and maintaining a deck. This video is presented by Black Dog Video, and you can visit us on the web at blackdogvideo.biz. Now, sometimes if you have a tree that puts sap on, like a conifer of some sort, a pine tree, you get sap on the deck, or if your cooker has spilled oil on the deck, or there's something else that's really difficult to get off, I use a white wall tire cleaner. It's a very nice cleaner to pick up other stuff, and a scraper. What we want to do is soak the area with the cleaner, and I'd leave it for about 5 minutes. So we'll come back in 5 minutes and clean this. Now we scrape away. Sometimes you can get it all the first time. Usually you get the top layers off and we still have some down the bottom. So we'll just wet it again, give it another 5 minutes, and the rest of it will come off. Okay, now we've got it, and the last bit's coming off. So we've managed to be able to clean the sap off with 2 applications of the white wall tire cleaner.